Welcome to Phase 3, where we will set up your Windows Masternode. This step follows the VPS setup in Phase 2. Go ahead and launch your Windows wallet. We set this wallet up during Phase 1. You need to transfer coins to your primary wallet. You can do this from an exchange. Upon receiving the coins, you will be notified. And you can confirm in the dashboard that indeed you've received the coins. Under transactions, you can actually see the number of confirmations. Once all the necessary confirmations have taken place, you can go back to your dashboard to confirm that indeed you received the coins. Next step involves creating an address for your Masternode. Once you have created the address, the next step is going to involve transferring coins to the Masternode address you just created. For this next step, you want to transfer exactly 1,000 XIOS coins from your primary address to your Masternode address. Confirm the transaction. Click yes. Now you will notice that the transaction will show up only as a transaction fee, since technically you own both the wallets. Just like with other transactions, you want to give it suitable time to update. During this step, we will create a rewards specific address. You can use this address to collect rewards from all your different Masternodes. It makes tracking and monitoring of rewards and stakes more effective. Next, we will configure the Windows wallet. Go ahead and find the location of where the Windows installation files are for the XIOS wallet. Find the xios.conf file, double-click to open. Copy and paste the contents from my configuration file. into your XIOS config. Save changes. Exit your wallet. Restart your wallet in order to create the first Masternode. There's some key information we will need to populate in order to create the Masternode. You can see I've made a copy of these key fields on the notepad file on the left. For the purpose of naming your Masternode, you can give it any name you like. The private key is the private key we generated on the VPS server during phase 2. The IP address and port number of the VPS server. We collected this information when configuring our VPS. Next, we will need to get the TX hash, which is essentially the proof or the transaction record of the 1,000 tokens / coins we transferred to the master wallet address. Go into debug console and type in Masternode outputs. The first series of alphanumerics is a transaction hash, also known as a TX hash. And the output index is the number that follows that in parentheses. That number is typically either a 0 or a 1. In the case of our example, it is a 1. The reward address we created in the previous step. So we'll go ahead and copy the information from that address and paste into our notepad file. And lastly, the reward percentage is just a number. In this case, we want 100% of our rewards to be sent from that Masternode to this wallet. Next, we will start our Masternode. In this case, we have an error. This is a fairly common error. And an easy way to fix this is to actually go back in and unlock your wallet. Now go ahead and click Start All, and you'll notice that your one Masternode has successfully started. Click the Update button, and it will show you your Masternode along with the reward address and the status, which in this case confirms that it is running. There's one final step you can take to confirm that your Masternode has registered with the XIOS network and is fully functional. Go ahead and click on the XIOS network tab. Find the IP address followed by the port number of your Masternode. Now keep in mind this is the VPS IP address and port number. Once you find it, and if the active status is a 1, that means it is successfully functional.